First of all, this course is Physics 161. So this is classical mechanics. This is an advanced course for physics majors tawag dito, emanating from Physics 101. So we're going to do the same, actually, physics tawag dito, problems or techniques, or the same problems sa Physics 101, but we're going to use different techniques in solving these problems. On top of that, we're also going to discuss advanced problems na hindi gaanong na-cover or hindi talaga covered sa Physics 101. Tulad ng sinabi ko, that's also a bit advanced and will also require advanced mathematical techniques. Okay, and hopefully by the end of this semester, you gain some appreciation of the classical physics, and yung mga techniques na involved para mag-solve ng mga problems involving this course, involving classical physics problems. So in this course, ito yung mga pagdadaanan natin na topics. Newtonian mechanics, we'll begin with something familiar. So Newtonian mechanics for single particles. And then we'll move to oscillations, and then nonlinear oscillations and chaos, okay, gravitation, and then itong 5 and 6 are actually methods that will be very useful sa pag-solve ng advanced classical physics problems. Okay, calculus of variations and Hamilton's principle, Lagrangian and Hamiltonian dynamics. So itong techniques na to have applications not just sa classical physics but also in other fields of physics as well, pati sa electromagnetics, electromagnetism sa 171, 172, and sa quantum mechanics. Okay, iba lang yung basic na mathematical equation is the same, but iba yung approach pagdating sa paggamit ng mathematical equation. Okay, so we have about 14 weeks this semester, and ito try natin i-cover itong 14 weeks na ito. Itong 6 topics na ito over the 14 weeks. Ang mode of teaching para sa course na ito is blended learning. So tulad ng before, tulad ng ginawa natin sa mga previous semesters, some of it will be synchronous, and some of it will be face-to-face. In fact, sa next succeeding meetings all the way to the end of February, synchronous yung meeting natin. Okay? So, wala tayong asynchronous na meeting, lahat ay synchronous. I understand na yung iba sa inyo or yung ilan sa inyo ay galing pa sa ibang klase, and it will take some time for you to tawag dito to go home, log in sa Zoom. It's fine, totally understandable, and ang ginagawa ko dito is nire-record ko yung lessons natin para lang hindi nyo ma-miss at least yung first part. Okay, para panoorin nyo yung video nung first part. Okay, yung recordings ay i-upload ko rin sa VLE. And unlike dun sa mga previous na semesters, walang pre-uploaded na video dun sa VLE. So kasi nung last na tinuro ko tong course na to was before the pandemic. So wala akong na-prepare na video for this course. So lahat ng video na i-upload doon ay videos tawag dito during class hours. Okay. So like I said, this is Physics 161. This is a 3-unit course, which means na 3 hours per week tayo mag-meet for, hindi pala 14 weeks, but 16 weeks. So approximately kung i-divide natin yung exams into 4, then we have 4 weeks per coverage ng isang exam. Ang prerequisite ng course na ito is Physics 101, and of course, yung mathematical prerequisite must be taken. So dapat naka 121 tsaka 122 na kayo, and ngayon dapat tinitake nyo yung 123, or at least na-take nyo na yung 123. Okay? Which is why hinihingi ko yung form 5 ninyo kasi check ko kung kung na-take nyo na yung 123, or kasabay nyo tinitake yung 123. Okay, with regard to the exams, okay, the lecture exam, so merong 4 na exams tulad na sinabi ko kanina for the lecture, and 1 final exam. And tawag dito, there is an exemption. Okay, and if you are exempted, then 100% of your grade will be based on the 4 lecture exams. If hindi kayo exempted, yung lecture exams will be 70% and yung final exam will be 30%. Okay. Then yung transmutation table for your grades is here. It's the same transmutation table that I've been using. So lahat naman kayo ay naging estudyante ko na before, and this should be somewhat familiar sa inyo. Exemption, yes. Hindi ko ata nasulat dito. Pero mamaya when you go to the VLE, or siguro baka nakita niyo na, when you go to the VLE, you can download yung syllabus. And in that syllabus, you'll see that the exemption for, para ma-exempt kayo sa finals, ang requirements ay dalawa. Okay. First of all, dapat you need to pass 2 out of 4 exams. And by pass, meaning 55%. Remember na ang passing natin dito is 55. Okay, so 55% of your grade, okay, or above is the passing rate, and you need 2 of those out of 4 exams to be exempted. Another requirement is dapat yung average ng 60 nung 4 na exams ay 60%. Okay? Okay. Next. So mode of teaching. So nabanggit ko na to kanina, and then we have the VLE, and then i-upload ko yung mga videos natin sa isang YouTube channel, which is Theoretical Mechanics. Okay, so let's go first to the VLE. Okay, dito sa VLE, so ito yung itsura ng VLE if you haven't taken a look at it yet. Familiar naman kayo dito. Alam nyo na kung anong nangyayari dyan, di ba? Dito sa Jamboard and Playlist, hindi ko na yan i-discuss. Papahapyawan ko lang ulit yan mamaya. Pero dito muna tayo sa about the course. So everything that is written dun sa PowerPoint slides is here. Okay, and you can see yung syllabus somewhere here. Ito. Physics 161 syllabus. Okay, so you can take a look at that, and dito mas nilagay ko yung requirements for a final examination. Okay. Okay. So yun yung sa VLE. Okay, and then wala pang mga topics na nakalagay dyan kasi upload ko lang yung video as we go along. Okay, next ay yung Google Calendar. So let's take a look at the Google Calendar, and here's our schedule for the semester. Okay, don't mind yung time. Okay, it's because of the time difference between where I am at saka kung nasan kayo ngayon. So tulad din ng dati, sa lahat naman kayo naging estudyante ko na before, just click here, click on the topic, and you know what to expect sa particular na day okay, na magmi-meet tayo. Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple. And then, I also added yung schedule ng exams. So, for example, ang first exam ninyo is in March 2. It's a Saturday, and you will be placed in one of these rooms. Tapos, nakikita rin dito yung mga holidays, well, at least in my calendar. Then yung mga topics na nandito. Now, if you've gone through this, or we're going through this now, okay, pero if it's too small, hindi ko na kayang palakihin to kasi actually hindi ko alam kung paano palakihin. So just open the Google Calendar from the VLE. So just click this and then open the Google Calendar. Okay, para makita ninyo. Sorry, asan na yun? Okay, and makikita nyo rin na may mga just before any exam, meron tayong problem solving na na sessions. Okay, so yun yung para sa third exam and para sa fourth exam. Okay, before that, yung meeting before that, meron din tayong problem solving sessions. Okay? So ganun yung mangyayari. So we will give you, or I will give you time para mag-solve ng mga problems before the exam. So this problem solving time, kayo yung magsosolve dyan. Nakalagay naman dyan. So you need to choose problems to solve at the end of chapters 2 and 3, okay, para sa first exam, para mapag-practicean. And the problems that you will be choosing should not be the same as the problems that your other classmates are solving. Okay, para ang idea is, so may kanya-kanya kayong problems na sinusolve and then iipunin natin lahat ng problems na nasolve ninyo and then ilalagay natin sa isang Google Drive kung saan pwede nyo i-download yung mga problems na yun at tawag dito, tignan yung solutions ng mga klase ninyo. Okay, so that's how it's going to work pagdating dyan sa problem solving sessions. Okay. Next, of course, familiar naman kayo sa Jamboard. Click nyo lang itong Jamboard and alam nyo na yung gagawin dito. Oh, okay. So meron nang nagsulat. Well, thank you for that. Kung sino ka man, yes, so I hope we all have a great semester as well. Okay, and then what else? Yung academic calendar is also here, so pwede nyo i-download ito. Reference is this, Thornton and Marion, Classical Dynamics of Particles and Systems. So let's go back here. Okay, and then consultation hours. They're all, well, sa February, you can just email me para makapag-set ng appointment kung kailan nyo gusto magpa-consult. Pero pwede nyo rin naman kayo mag-email. Okay, and alam nyo naman yung email address ko. When tawag dito in March, starting March, ito na yung consultation hours. Okay? Ito yung itsura ng reference material. Alam niyo ba kung saan kukunin yan? Okay, and that's it. Any questions? Okay. Meron akong nilagay sa Google Chat, sa Zoom chat box. Paki-check at baka interesado kayo sa kung ano yung laman niyan. Nakita niyo na? Okay, so just hang on to that. Yan ang posibleng, yan ang gagamitin nating reference. Yan. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Wala? Okay. By the way, um, yung lima sa inyo also have Physics 182, right? And ako din yung magtuturo ng Physics 182, and sinet ko yung exams sa 182 tsaka 161 ng magkasabay. Okay, so if you are one of the 5 students who both have 162 and 161 and 182, saka na natin pag-usapan kung paano nyo kukunin yung exam dun sa either one of them. Okay? Huwag nyo munang alalahanin yan at this time. Okay, tignan nyo, saan na natin i-discuss yan.